SNMP translate. Then you have to give the hyphen, then on, then on is the flag. Okay, it's option. Then SNMP, then you have to give the version is 2, then MIB, then colon, then colon, then system, then sys uptype, then dot c. Okay, SNMP translate, then I give the on flag here, then I give the textual format of the OID. Okay, then give the enter. Then this will prompt me the numeric format of the OID. Okay, then you have to type SNMP translate, then .iso, then .3.6.1 private private, then enterprises dot two dot one dot pr names dot 0. Okay, so SNMP translate dot iso dot 3.6.1 dot private dot enterprises dot 2021 dot 2 dot 1 dot pr names dot 0. Okay, then enter. Then it gives me the so I give the so it gives me the net SNMP. So SNMP, MIB, PR names dot 0. Okay. So then I will SNMP. I give this with the on flag. Okay. SNMP translate. Then I give the on flag here. On capital O, then N. Okay. Okay. This gives me the OID numerical form. Then I give this command with the off flag. So here capital O, then the F. Then ISO 361 private enterprise, then PR names 0. Okay, right. Then the problem with the above commands that I used is you have to remember the entire OID for what you are looking for. Okay, so we wouldn't to be a very good package if we didn't provide some sort of random access lookup function, right? So well, the good news is that we do the hyphen ir nicely does this for us. So and searches the MIB tree for not you want. So then I will check that. Yes. SNMP translate, then sys up time, then dot zero. Okay, then I give this with the IR flag here. So I, then R. Okay, then finally I will even try to do regex pattern matching to find the exact node you want. Given only a piece of its name by using the IB best match option. Okay, then I'm going to erase this IR. So give the IB here, then sys. Erase this, then stammer INE. Ah, and okay. So again. Then to get the list of all nodes that match a given pattern, you have to use the TB flag. Okay, SNMP translate, then TB PSCM dot, then star mark table. Okay, SNMP translate. You have to give this with TB flag, and okay. So it gives me the list of all nodes that match the given pattern. Then to get extended information about the MIB node, you have to use TD description flag. So I'm going to use that also. SNMP translate, then on flag, and then I put the TD flag here, then IB flag also, then I give the name here, sys dot INE. Okay, okay, then it gets the extended information about the MIB node. Okay, then finally, certainly not least, if you want to a pretty diagram of section of the MIB tree, you have to check with the TP flag. So I'm going to give this command as well, SNMP translate, then TP here, then IR capital R, right? IR, then system. Unknown objective identified subtype. SNMP translate. TP, then IR. Why is that? SNMP translate. Then TP, then yeah, I'm going to change this R into simple. Oh, no. What is the issue here? I will type this again. SNMP